In this video, you'll learn how to add users to an organization in Flows. We'll cover how to invite individual members, bulk import users with a CSV file, and manage their access levels. Let's get started. First, navigate to the sidebar and click on Organization. Then, select the Members tab. Here you'll see the list of current members in the organization. Click the Invite User button to open the invitation form. Now fill out the form with the required details: the user's email address, their manager, their access level, either admin or member, full name, optional position, and the start date for their membership. You can invite as many users as needed, one by one. Once the form is complete, click Add Members. An invitation email will be sent automatically, and the user will appear in the pending invitations list until they accept. As soon as the invited user accepts the invitation, they'll officially join the organization. Their profile will be added to the organization's user profile collection automatically. To add multiple users with the same role, click Bulk Add Members. Upload a CSV file with the following fields: email, display name, role, start date. This is a quick way to onboard teams or departments at once. Remember, users can belong to multiple organizations, but their access is limited to the one they're currently working in. Also, signing up doesn't grant access to an organization. They must be invited or create one themselves. And that's how you add members to an organization in Flows.